Okay, since welcome everyone, आप सब लोगों का स्वागत है। मुझे ना हिंदी ठीक से आती है ना अंग्रेजी ठीक से आती है, तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश में बोलूँगा एंड समथिंग इन इंग्लिश और मिक्स्ड। मैं पहले परिचय करा दूं, हमारे एक मित्र हैं, नए मित्र हैं लेकिन लगता है बहुत पुराने मित्र हैं। न्यू फ्रेंड बट फील्स लाइक ओल्ड फ्रेंड। दैट इज मिस्टर युकेश बत्रा। वो हिंदी और अंग्रेजी दोनों में विद्वत्ता उनको उपलब्ध है, और जो मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा उसका वो अंग्रेजी में अनुवाद करेंगे, और वट एवर आई स्पीक इन इंग्लिश ही विल ट्रांसलेट इट इनटू हिंदी। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट हिम टू प्लीज टेक नोट्स। आई एम सीरियस। आई मीन, वो गाते भी बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं गाऊंगा जब तक while people are still enthusiastic. So I think everybody has a lot of affection for me. I hope. And to cover any subject fully, normally I need about 90 minutes. I'm used to 90-minute speeches. In exceptional situations, I make shorter speeches. So, Talu, when 85 minutes, then remind me. No, remind me when 85.
What time is up?
We'll remind you when it's time for dinner.
Well, it is.
Okay,
It is 85 already.
So I have tried to catch up with the times, and I used to see people, gathering at social events, and they're looking at their cell phone and telling jokes, reading jokes. I said, इसमें जोक्स भी होता है? कौन से सेल फोन ऐसा होता है? कहने वो सेल फोन में नहीं, व्हाट्सएप में होता है। हमने कहा व्हाट्सएप क्या होता है? कहीं व्हाट्सएप में आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, फ़ोन पे बात कर सकते हैं, वो फ़ोटो भी देख सकते हैं, और उसमें लोग एक दूसरे को से शेयर भी कर सकते हैं। तो मैंने नया फ़ोन लिया, उसमें व्हाट्सएप लगाया, बहुत डर के व्हाट्सएप लगाया तो 2-3 बातें हुई। एक तो पता नहीं कहाँ से लोगों के मैसेज आने लगे। So I spend a lot of time blocking people. I'm not supposed to take off yet. It's part of this speech, when I take off my jacket. So, and then reminders, please reply, please reply. And I go, who is this? Then I quickly learn how to block. So I block. उसके बाद some friends, they send message, I cannot block them. So every morning I get about 20 or 30 WhatsApp. A friend of mine, a very dear friend of mine, every morning he sends me something, good morning, and lots of beautiful flowers and trees and birds. So that makes my day. Plus he sends his other attachments, jokes and all that. So I don't have my cell phone in the car, so I can't read from it, but I remember 2 of them. One is today's generation, so praying, oh God, please give me patience, but hurry up. You didn't get it. Okay, I'll tell you. You have to, yeah, I mean, and second one is Banta Singh joke. I don't speak Punjabi perfectly, so I'll just put it in Hindi. So there is a picnic, and Banta goes with a thermos bottle. So his friend asked him, "क्या आएगा?" ये थर्मस बॉटल है, ये क्या करता है? इसमें ठंडी चीजें ठंडी रहती हैं, गर्म चीजें गर्म रहती हैं। तो बताया तो इतने बीच पाया की है? ओ 3 कुल्फियां, 4 समोसे और 2 कप चाय। Anyway, so there is no occasion better than with family and friends. And today I did everything that I was instructed to do. First, my baby sister, who is less than half my age, brought me this T-shirt yesterday, and she said I must wear it. And then my daughter told me that to hide this jacket, I must wear hide this T-shirt, I must wear a jacket. So I was wearing it, but it's kind of warm, so I'll take this off. I also have my old neighbors. थोड़ा डिमेंशिया का प्रॉब्लम है ना, तो सबके नाम याद नहीं है, but I recognize everybody. It feels like I know everybody and recognize, but sometimes the name's a problem. So thank you for coming. And there used to be a pretty halfway decent music group, orchestra. झंकार, तो उसमें से बहुत लोग आए हैं। उन लोगों को बहुत सालों के बाद मैंने कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट साथ जाते हुए देखा है। अजीत कमिंग विद हिज गिटार, आई सेड वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल साइट। एंड Chandresh and Khalsa ji and many others, Vinita, and I think we used to sing with आपका क्या नाम है? Neeru, Vinita. You know, I was the lead male singer with Khalsa ji and Vinita and Neeru, and Shanna ji is not here yet.
Yes, he is here.
She's here? Where?
He is here.
I don't see her.
Sanna.
Shanna Madhu. Anyway, so we will have all that, but I thought no, I'm birthday boy, so
1 minute,
yeah.
30 seconds.
59.
Well, so I keep telling, you know, they ask me sometime to say something when grandkids' birthday. So I keep telling them that, you know, the kids should be taught that birthday doesn't come once a year. In my experience and my understanding, birthday comes every day, not only every day, every moment. Because every moment, everything changes. No moment returns. The Earth is in a different place around the Milky Way. Milky Way has traveled. So every hour we are about a couple 100,000 miles away from the spot yesterday that we will never return to. And we are a different part of the sky, different star camp constellations. So everything is new. The same sun doesn't arise the second time. And every moment one should feel renewed. And secondly, this is my personal experience, that I feel kind of stale when I don't learn anything any day. So if I learn something any day, which I hope happens quite frequently, I feel renewed, fresh, because when I learn something, it changes me. With this new learning, I'm a new person. So that is my birthday. So I have forgotten my sort of the ceremonial birthday, I was born day, so once a year it comes. That's too boring. So I teach kids that when you learn something, that is your birthday. Since I used to sing, and before everybody makes unanimous request that I should sing, so I will volunteer to sing before being asked.
You got the
You got it. And at least today nobody will snatch it from me. Okay. So there was a time I used to sing a lot of popular filmy songs, etc. Then I kind of went a step further and I started writing songs. So over the last 20 or 25 years at various poetry gatherings, they asked me to recite poetry, so I recite, and after that some people come to me, बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा था, thank you, लेकिन समझ में नहीं आया. So that has been हमारे जीवन की एक विडंबना है. That is a kind of that I can write and speak, but not understood. But I'm used to that. But there is one poem that was about 10 years ago. There was an All India poetry convention. By the way, one of the great poets of India, Gopal Das Neeraj, passed away last week. One of my favorite, very musical, very popular poet. So it so happened that this was a gathering in Lucknow, and I happened to be there. So I was invited. I said my cousin is there, one of my old friend, ex-mayor of Lucknow. I said, I'll meet some friends, and okay, I'll come. So I went there, and on this stage, Neeraj was also present, and he recited his poetry. And his recital kind of impressed me. You know, he's so free-floating. And he wrote many wonderful filmy songs. So he would do like this, "Hey bhai," you know, the legendary, the classic movie of Raj Kapoor. "Hey bhai, jara dekh ke chalo, आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी, बाएं ही नहीं दाएं भी, ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी, hey bhai." And then at the same stage, then I presented some poems, and I sang one. So afterwards, of course, Neeraj, I touched his feet. He gave me आशीर्वाद. Some people said, बहुत अच्छा गीत है, थोड़ा बहुत समझ में भी आ रहा है. So वो थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आ रहा है, तो that encouraged me कि I can repeat that. So it goes like this. If Chandresh was here, I would say this is Rupak Tal, 7-beat cycle.
He is here.
Anyway, that's I may not be able to sing in Rupak Tal.
Want me to come?
That's okay. I don't want to give you trouble. Then you'll be frustrated, you know. निगाहों में कोई. Now Batra ji will translate that into English. I hope he's here. I don't say. Rendu कहाँ है? He's supposed to translate it. He promised me. Anyway. निगाहों में कोई इशारा नहीं है. कुछ लोग समझ रहे होंगे शायद. निगाहों में कोई इशारा नहीं है, ये कैसा है दरिया किनारा नहीं है.
Baba.
थैंक यू. मैं पूछूंगा नहीं आपसे इसका क्या मतलब. हमारी निगाहों में चिनगारियां हैं. चिनगारियां मतलब स्पार्क्स इन माय आईज. हमारी निगाहों में चिनगारियां हैं. कोई आसमां पर सितारा नहीं है, मैं जाऊं तो कैसे बुलाने पे उसके, मैं जाऊं तो कैसे बुलाने पे उसके, बस आवाज दी है पुकारा नहीं है। ये दुनिया ज्यादा गाना गाने की मैंने लेटो में दादा खाना खा रहा, दादा सो रहा है, दादा खाना खा रहा। ये दुनिया पुरानी सी होने लगी है, ये दुनिया पुरानी सी होने लगी है, अभी 4 दिन भी गुजारा नहीं